Yun know, sarap ng food.
Nagda-diet ka pa rin.
Not much.
Ano yung diet mo before?
No rice lang. Justin, no girls.
Yan ang diet.
Yan ang diet.
Kailan cheat day mo?
Wala. Pwede daw today.
Thank you, Melo, for the food. Ano?
Thank you for the food. Thank you for cooking.
Gusto ko
Okay.
matry itong ano,
O
parang...
tara, let's dig in. Let's go.
Pwede na kumain.
Oh, let's go!
Sa inyong dalawa, before naging either Banawe Boy or Buzz Hype, ano ang gig before? Anong ginagawa niyo professionally?
Tumutugtog kami sa...
Dati kami sa 19 East.
Ako yung bantay. Sa,
Pero ano, employed kayo before? Working?
Employed ako for 5 years, corporate.
Solid.
Oh. Sa 5 years na yun, isang company lang yung hindi kotse. Tapos,
Ano?
Maersk Line.
Nag-merge ka pala.
Oh, yung mga containers.
Ano, taga-buhat ng container?
Ako yung taga-bilang ng laman ng container.
Totoo?
Hindi, joke lang.
Naniniwala ako eh.
Maniniwala rin ako eh.
Pero ano ang ginagawa mo? Doon.
Parang sa human resources, ako yung parang payroll ng mga seafarers.
Ikaw, Alex.
After I graduated, I worked for Toyota. I was an agent for 2 years. I can remember that nung nandiyan pa yung dad ko, we have like Toyo Pet, Celica, when I was a kid.
Solid.
Tapos I started off like, syempre kailangan car industry kasi parang nandun ka na eh.
Oo.
So tinry ko mag-sales kasi feeling ko kaya ko naman mambudol.
Sobrang lapit sa house mo.
Oo, like pwede mo lakarin. Siguro mga
Ang dami
dalawang
na
kanto
nabenta
lang. Oo, bro. Actually, I just resigned because I don't like my boss. Kasi parang doon nagmamatter.
Pero gusto
na.
mo yung work?
Oo, bro. I really like the work.
Oo.
Kasi ang daming matututunan eh. Tsaka ang sarap, ang saya ng may mako-close ka. Tsaka sabi ko parang...
Pero ayoko ng pressure sa sales.
Yun ang hirap. It's a good thing then. I learned how to manage my emotions, ganyan, sa mga boss mo. Sometimes may ganyan talaga, working atmosphere. But the most memorable sale that I did wasn't a Land Cruiser, an Alphard. I sold all of those. Fortuner, mama high-end yan. The car that really
Shows your age.
stuck with me was a Vios base. Not all people knows that there is a Vios base. Alam mo yan, kasi may taxi. Yung Vios base, it's the lowest end, mas mababa pa siya sa J. Kasi siya yung pang-taxi. Siya yung ginaganon. Yung J kasi automatic na ganun. Tapos, it was so heartwarming kasi, kaya doon ko rin natutunan na parang, huwag mong mamatahin kung sino yung makita mo. Tapos yun, parang pumasok lang sila. Medyo, syempre yung damit, hindi naman sobrang fancy and everything. So, may core lang sila, Vios, ganyan. So, eventually, that was the time pala, na-crisis ng jeep.
Okay.
Like, face out, yung mga ganun. Yung pala, jeepney driver sila. The best thing, grabe, until now, nag-goosebumps ako. Sobrang tatak sa akin eh. Bumalik yung babae. Sa showroom, hinanap ako. She literally gave me 500 pesos
Oh.
as a tip. Hindi ko bullshit.
Solid.
Never ako naka-receive ng tip na sa sales ko, sa buong
Pero
buhay ko.
nakabenta ka ng Land Cruiser?
Oo, wala. Kasi yung mga yun, wala silang pakialam. Tingin nila, kikita kayo. Bakit kita bibigyan ng tip? Kikita kayo. Gets mo? Parang, totoo rin naman. Gets ko naman yung mindset nila. Why would I give you a tip? I'm pretty sure you have commission, whatever. Pero ito, parang pare, isipin mo, Vios base, yung benta mo. Tapos binigyan ka pa ng tip. Binalikan ka, bro. Like, alam mo yung gano'n na,
Damn.
okay lang sana, kuwari, ni-release mo, binigyan ng tip. Hindi. Ito, bumalik pa siya after the following week. Siguro kumita sila or whatever. So, bigyan niya ako 500. Sabi ko, shit, this is the most memorable thing that I learned in that job. Kasi parang sabi ko, sobrang bilog ang mundo.
From there, paano kayo bigla nag-jump ship na, uy, content creation, paano?
Well, gusto ko talaga pagka-graduate ko ng college. Gusto ko business na. Gusto ko mag-business talaga.
Okay.
Pero ayaw ko payagan ng mom ko kasi sabi niya mag-corporate ka, pumasok ko sa company kasi ganyan. Sabi ko,
Yung discipline, parang gusto niya matutunan mo.
Infrastructure
Exactly.
ng corporation.
gusto niya akong matutunan ko yung networking skills, yung pakikisama sa mga tao, yung discipline ng gigising ka ng maaga. True enough, sobrang grateful ako kasi nag-corporate ako, pumasok ako sa company. In-insist ng mom ko yun. Kasi kung hindi, parang wala ako dito ngayon. Kasi hindi ko matutunan yung mga ganong skills eh.
Pero out of lahat ng, di ba, ang sabi mo may multiple jobs ka before. Ano sa'yo yung tumatak on the corporate world?
May first thing in my mind kasi nag-work ako sa PGA cars. So I work for under Porsche nun.
Solid.
So parang ang work ko doon, ako yung nagka-quality test ng mga kotse bago release.
Nabangga mo gano'n.
Ha? So testingin ko hata ako ganyan. Crash test
Kaya pala
ganyan.
may nakikita ko sa Onet.
So, may GT3 RS na release, 991. Yung kotse na yon, may specific instruction pa lang dapat wag lagyan ng fire extinguisher kasi bubutasan mo yun sa rag eh. So yung client ayaw niya. Ay ako yung may hawak niyan eh. So parang hindi ko siya nagawa. So binutasan siya ng mga mekaniko. So galit na galit yung may-ari na bakit mo binutasan yung GT3 RS ko? Sabi ko nga, wag ikabit yung fire extinguisher. Sunday morning, tumatawag sa akin yung pinaka-boss ng PGA. Pinagmumura ako. Oo, talagang gano'n. Sabi ko, shit. Ano yun talaga eh. Minsan, hindi mo masasabi na kung ano yung pwede mong tanggapin na ano eh, na yung mga situation eh. Pero kailangan mo talagang doon ka maghahanap ng solution. So,
At saka own up to the mistake.
own up, yung accountability. Pero doon ko natutunan na it's okay to make mistakes. Pero hindi okay magkaroon ng same mistake pa ulit. Kasi ibig sabihin hindi ka natututo eh.
Correct.
So, doon ko natutunan talaga yung parang, okay, shit, nagkamali ako. Pero kailangan ko matuto sa bawat pagkakamali ko.
So, galit yung client.
Galit, saka iba yung mga tao ng ano eh, ganyang, yung mga owners ng Porsche, alam mo yun, iba yung market na yan. So, talagang nakakatakot. Pero, minsan you have to really own it lang talaga. So, well, yung Buzz matagal na siya, 2013 pa yan.
Okay.
Since college ako, parang project yan kami magkakapatid. Pero parang eventually ako lang naiwan na gusto ituloy yung Buzz Hype. So,
Ano yung business ng Buzz Hype before?
ano siya, clothing brand. Clothing brand that focus on the car culture, automotive. And actually, tayo yung isa sa mga unang car clothing brand dito sa Pilipinas that time. Actually, meron mga nauna, yung sa Green Hills, yung mga sa Green Hills may nagbebenta ng ano, yung remix. Oo, yung may mga Civic, yan.
Oh, may isa tayo
Yun yung kasabayan ko. Yes!
Meron sa baba. Oh,
Yan yung mga
Green Hills Boys, Green Hills
kasabayan ko ng ano.
So
Buzz Hype.
from parang streetwear clothing up until nag-start ka mag-vlog?
Oh, tapos start ako mag-vlog 2019, right
Pandemic.
before pandemic.
Before pandemic.
Wala pang pandemic. Parang isang friend ko, si Bugoy na Koy, sabi niya, nakapanood ko yung mga stories mo, yung mga ginagawa mo sa social media, bakit kaya hindi mo gawing vlog yan? But sayang kasi pag stories lang. So, sabi ko, sige, try natin mag-vlog. Kasi nahiya pa ako mag-vlog that time eh.
Oo.
Saka that time, parang hindi pa ganun ka in yung pagbo-vlog. Parang,
yeah.
weird, nagbo-vlog to, bunta nga.
vlog spot pa yun
Pero wala, ininda natin yun. So yun, diretso ko lang. Minsan pangit yung videos ko, so awkward ako. Pero it worked out. Parang hanggang sa eventually, napansin tayo ng mga brands. Hanggang yun, diretso naman. Tapos nagkaroon tayo ng mga iba't ibang opportunities.
Ganun din nag-start sa'yo?
Me, after pandemic lang ako eh.
Pero halos sabay tayo eh.
Yeah, pero after pandemic, I can vividly remember it was like a COVID time. Tapos sobrang bored na ako, parang, ano bang gagawin ko? Tapos bumaba ako ng garahe namin, parang, parang maganda naman yung kotse namin ah. Parang, vlog ko nga.
Tapos nag-start ka lang
Oh, parang
mag-document.
vlog ko lang yung garage. I can remember that. That was my first vlog. Like,
Pero Banawi boy ka na nun, hindi pa?
garage. Oo, Banawe Boy na yun. Pero, I think the Banawe Boy name came from my friend na parang tinatawag lang niya, uy, Banawe, may lig sa kotse. Tapos, me, I always wanted to share cars. Whether it's my car, his car, whoever's car. At the end of the day, it's all about the car. I'm just blessed enough that I was able to document it. I see it in that way. Na parang, I will do it as long as I have the courage to do it. And of course, as long as I have cars.
Yep.
Kung wala kayo sa automotive space, ano kayang industry you think you will be? Totoo as in walang connection sa kotse Sa parts even, ganon.
Baka sa Pegasus. So. joke lang.
Parking boy.
Wait, ano yung Pegasus?
That's the...
De, pero anong industry nga?
Oo nga, sa tingin nyo.
I think I want in the fashion industry. So, totoo minsan gusto nga magbenta ng mga ano. Uy, gusto niyo yung sapatos. Just for the experience, alam mo yun.
Okay yun,
I think it's more on that industry.
Ako ano talaga, konti lang may alam na to, pero gusto ko mag-theater. So, maging theater actor. Oh.
Doon din ba galing yung fascination mo to... Kasi yung ginagawa nyo is to entertain. Doon din ba galing yung fascination of you creating,
Yes.
publishing content?
Oo. Yung napapanood mo sa mga movies, nagagawa mo rin siya. Tapos na-express mo yung sarili
Yung
mo.
art form na yun.
So, yun yung art ko. Oh. Tumatanda na tayo, kailangan natin maggulay. So yung mga bata dyan na eat your veggies.
Na-mention nyo earlier, di ba, na parang, sige, you guys worked on corporate. May idea ka how the business works. Yeah. How does the car content creator business work? Kasi ngayon, I would say, it's a business already. If you guys were to explain it, how does that business work?
You have to know your niche. Hindi pwede yung general ka lang na influencer. It doesn't work that way eh. Kailangan meron kang
That's why there's
specific
like segregations, diba?
market, yes.
But you guys did that without hindi siya dictated ng brands.
Luckily, nalagay kami sa automotive kasi we started naman yung pagkagawa ng mga videos is passion lang talaga eh.
For me naman, I don't think it's a business. Okay, sige. Parang sige, for the people that are watching that wants to be a content. If I tell them na, guys, get into this business. I don't want to say that. Kasi parang, if you see it in a business perspective, I think it won't be that genuine already.
Kailan nyo na-realize na, uy, pwede palang pagkakitaan to?
I think the opportunity just came. I never thought that one day I'll be getting money out of it. I would tell the people that are watching that if you want to start something like content creation for like specifically for cars, don't treat it as you have a goal to tap this, tap that. Don't get me wrong. It's okay to aim. Na parang one day I want to tap Toyota. One day I want to tap BMW.
Yeah.
It's a dream eh. Pero if una pa lang gusto mo na talaga yun, like alam mo yun, di, gusto ko,
Oh,
ganyan.
magiging iba yung direction mo eh.
Or mawawala yung authenticity
Yun.
nung laman, yung meat nung content.
Kasi people will know kung faker ka. Maamoy yan, lalo na yung mga totoong car guys. Alam nila na itong tao na to for the clout lang yan, for the money, ganyan, for the fame. Pero alam din ng mga car guys, passionate talaga to. Talagang enthusiast yan.
Yep.
Ano lang, humble lang, huwag mayabang. Huwag mong kakalimutan ka ng galing.
Napanood ko yung ano nyo. Sit down yung apat. Ever since Buzz Hype, Banawe Boy, and
Kev.
Stans. Nakakatuwa kasi parang each guy has their own, parang it's a collective, tas kanya-kanyang groups, di ba?
We don't hate each other.
Yun nga eh. Which is ang refreshing kasi even with how you guys talk to each other, wala kang nararamdaman na parang pataasan ng ihi.
Wala.
Walang.
Kasi we always have that mindset na, bakit tayo maghatakan? Like kami dalawa, lagi kami magkasama. Pero we always help each other out. Ay, kailangan ko ng ganito. O sige, kunin mo to. Ako naman, may IT, pero maka na to. Go! Even like videographers and everything, we share.
We share.
Kasi parang, bakit kita hindi share? Kailangan mo siya. Next time, kailangan ko naman. Hindi, di ba? Share lang tayo.
Kaya kami tumagal maging kakaibigan kasi pero kami ng values.
Yeah.
And we're very honest with
Siyempre,
each
may
other.
mga taong dumaan sa amin na hindi na ngayon friends, ganyan. Kasi hindi kami pareho ng values. Oo, naman, syempre.
Alam niya si
Oo.
Mark. Hi, Matt. Hi,
Siyempre.
Kasi makikita mo rin, di ba? Parang sila Peter na Titans, sila Legends of the 90s, they can get to one room, like event nila, nandun kayong lahat.
Oo.
Di ba? Parang iba't ibang personalities to, iba't ibang groups.
Oo.
Pero,
Basta as long as same kayo ng values, walang problema. And yun nga, yung grupo namin, lagi kaming hatakan pataas. Kasi walang point na para maghatakan tayo pababa. Saka kayo nagsimula, sabay-sabay kami lahat nagsimula halos eh. And sabay-sabay kami nag-grow. Nakita namin isa't isa mag-grow. So, nakakatuwa na lahat kayo umaangat, natututo, nag-grow.
And I believe yung sinabi niya na parang we have the same values. Like, if your values doesn't align with us, it's fine. We're not enemies. We're just not, we don't have the same values.
Pero working with the brands, may mga non-negotiables ba kayo? Kasi syempre, as content creator...
hard lines.
Oo, hard lines nyo. May non-negotiable. Wala lang. Go with the flow.
For car brands or...
Oh, any brand that you work with.
I segregate it kasi for car brands, I'm very lenient. Kasi they're not that strict eh.
To be honest, like, give you the freedom to create your content. They just give you the guidelines, the keywords. Sabi ko, ako, ano gusto niyo sabihin niyo sa akin para at least I get to do it na, in a way, na gusto
Style mo.
For the automotive naman na car modification, strict ako doon. Kasi I feel like we somehow have that niche of catering the aftermarket world here in the Philippines. Parang, kung ano yung ilagay ko sa kotse ko, I want to be proud of it. I'm very loyal to the aftermarket brands. Like, I've been a sponsor of Cyloon for the longest time. I just ask whatever I need for support, please support me. We have a lot of car industry friends. Kasi yun yung relationship eh. You build with relationship.
Yes. Ayaw namin yung transactional. Kasi gusto namin yung authentic eh. Gusto namin, pag meron tayong trabaho, gusto ko magkaibigan din tayo.
Yep.
They respect you. You can feel that they respect you. You respect them back. JBL, Momo.
Shout out.
Shout out kay mga yan. Parang they're very
Yan
genuine.
sila yung best example.
To the point na parang ako personally, nagpapaalam ako na parang, uy, parang mag-overlap yung ganitong brand sa with yours. Is it okay? Like, ako pa yung malapit. I think that's what they like about us. We tell them. Kasi yung iba parang, uy, may pera to eh. Gagawin ko pa rin. Kasi kahit nasasagasaan ko to, may bayad to eh.
may ganun.
But it doesn't work like that.
Anong pinaka-meaningful na nilabas niyong content?
Ikaw muna.
Ako muna.
Not due to engagement, pero yung pinaka-merong value sa inyo na piece of content na nilabas niyo.
When I post about my personal stuff and I connect it to cars. Like lately, I posted about Mazda. I borrowed the CX-60. I tried to visit my mom. I want to bring that car because I feel like it's something that she would like.
Yeah.
So whenever I post something quite personal, I feel like it's gonna be, it sticks.
Ikaw, Justin bro, meron like parang a piece of content na hits?
Meaningful.
Pinaka-meaningful.
For me, yung AE86 content natin. Yung nakuha ko yung 86. Yun yung nagmulat sa akin sa kotse.
Yeah.
Yung Initial D.
Yes.
So, nung nakuha ko yung kotse na yun, titigan ko lang yung sa labas ng bahay namin. Shit, may 86 ako.
You don't need cameras for that.
Oo.
At saka shout out doon.
Oo.
So kaibigan natin.
Binigyan ako ng opportunity ng kaibigan natin na yun na
Sobrang bait noon.
sobrang bait na A86 siya. It's a symbol of our friendship. Yung kaibigan na yun. Malalim yung kotse na yun for me talaga.
Pero yung mga ganyan, like collaborations, partnerships, was there ever a time na medyo may weird collaboration or partnership kayong natanong?
May na-reach out sa amin. Nag-send ng PR package. We were like, uy, pinundala ka rin ba? Oo, bro.
Condom, vibrator.
Interesado.
Di ba? Gusto mo? Patay! Bakit na pa ng nanay ko yun? Oh, ano to? Ba't may mga condom? Di.
Dice.
PR package.
Dice. Yung may dice siya na kinky dice. We don't bash them, pero I don't think that it's our branding.
Saka virgin ako. Hindi ko alam yung mga ganun.
Slow clap. Magaling ka rin doon.
Slow clap.
Ano yan, di ba?
May party invitation yun.
Alak na kasi.
The PR package was sent and then there's an invitation for a party.
Okay.
Na Revel ba yun?
Pumunta kayo.
I think Revel, di ba? Yun, hindi namin pumunta. Inisip ko ba, orgy na yun eh. Puta yun, parang, ano to?
Ano kaya yung event na yun, no? Di ba?
Hindi. Pagpapasok kayo,
Gamitin mo yung PR package.
ba? Sir, patingin. Kailangan niya ng pass.
Saka alam mo yung feeling na yun na babalik ka na sa genuine na paano ako magpo-post about condom? Nangina, di ba? Parang,
Babalik yung values mo eh. Parang hindi siya aligned sa brand.
It's bad and everything. It's just not the branding.
Other than that, yung mga iba talaga yung pag pinapadala kami ng ibang bansa ng brands. Yun talaga yung
Shout out like Hyundai. For me, Hyundai sent me to Korea. BYD, we went to China. Me and Justin.
ito na lang eh. Yung pinakauna nagpadala sa atin sa ibang bansa.
Yun ang malupit.
Sino yun? Ako?
Sir Vince.
Akala niyo yun, oh. Huwag niyo na magitin yung brand.
But that was a fun trip. Like,
Yes.
That was a
Yes, doon
genuine
tayo naging
fun
close.
That was the first ba?
Yes, that's our first.
No way.
You gave us that opportunity na lahat ng mga brands nag-follow.
Oy, pucha. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Akala ko by then kasi, pucha, medyo may following na kayo and all that.
Na-scam ka namin doon, sir. Puto na.
Tinanong mo kami, hindi mo lang alam, nagdapan lang kami mag-isa nun.
Because of that, other brands followed.
Nice.
Nung na-meet nyo siya, nasa media circuit na ba kayo nun?
Yes. Oh.
Personally, like a year of doing media, Nakikita ko na parang lagi may congregation eh. So, matagal na rin kayo sa scene na
I
yun.
think so. I think mga 2 years na parang 2-3 years. Naging close kami kasi ganoon din eh. We have the same values with Sir Vince.
Does the inclusiveness apply to the car media community also?
It depends eh. Meron kaming barkada sa automotive
Oo,
media.
may kami, circle, may bubble kami.
Chini, McCoy, sila Top Gear, Charles Leander, sila Aiki. Yan yung parang grupuhan namin. Kami lagi din magkakasama. Ganun ulit. We have the same values.
Okay.
So kaya kami nag-click sa isa't isa kami magkakasama. So basta pag may mga brand trips or may mga events, kami magkakadikit. So ganun siya, parang
Yeah,
ganun.
and same goes with it na parang for sure yung iba may kanya-kanyang grupo din. And we respect that. Like, there will always be people that are different from your perspective. Yun.
Question. Yung mga una nyong content, insight nyo about a car, a meet, may mga instances na parang pandemic na pareho kayo nakamask. Alam mo, parang you just wanna meet with your friend, meron siyang setup, pupuntahan mo, then you get to talk about it sa vlog, di ba? Kunyari may available na lend out, then it's with you. Anong headspace nyo when it comes to how do I tell this story?
If I like the car, I like the car.
Okay.
I'll tell the people why I like the car.
Okay.
If I don't like the car, you don't need to hard sell the car naman. You don't need to tell naman na parang this is the best, this is the best. Kasi parang, hindi lahat na the best.
He's the best.
Lalo ba niniwala sa'yo?
Tell the good features.
Yeah.
You learn to share it to the point na you know who you're sharing it with.
Pero kamusta ang car scene ngayon?
Parang feeling ko, dumami yung car guys.
Dumami yung groups, no? During the time of the pandemic, kayo yun eh.
Sa totoo lang, hindi nga ako magsasabi na grupo kami. Magkakaibigan lang
Oo
kami.
nga, yun nga eh.
Parang, if you were to ask me, magkakagrupo ba kayo? May car club ba kayo? Wala. Magkakaibigan lang kami.
Tropa lang.
Tawag namin sa sarili namin mga mambu.
Mambubulok.
Mambubulok.
So, madami nag-message sa akin, pwede ba kami sumali sa grupo nyo, ganyan.
Wala kami grupo.
Hindi kami grupo.
Magkakaibigan
lang kami na nag-e-enjoy sa kotse.
Alpha Pichu Papi. Ganun.
Oh, yan.
Yun ang I think hindi naiintindihan ng kids ngayon.
Yes. And don't get me wrong, if they want to join the car club, go ahead.
Yes.
I mean, if you find a friends there, like friendships there, go ahead. Good for you.
Pero ang tanong ko sa inyo, what's the most memorable na comment na nabasa nyo na it's up to now nagsistick sa inyo?
Ako natutuwa ako whenever someone comments or someone messages me na, bro, ako yung nasa TikTok live mo dati. Kasi dati, when pandemic hits, may mga time na nagti-TikTok live lang kami sa condo. Tapos kung ano-ano lang, sagot lang kami ng mga kahit anong things. Tapos it was genuine kasi if you know that time na nagti-TikTok live ako, you're like an OG.
Nagti-TikTok
For
live
me.
kami, minsan lasing kami, di ba?
Oh, magaw. Kasi it's an OG kasi parang, I'm
The
not
makings
doing
of
that
yun eh.
anymore
The
eh.
makings of.
So ngayon, kung naalala mo pa yun, that's kinda good.
Meron ba kayo out of body experience na parang you guys were just posting stuff online like 4 years ago or 2 years ago maybe. Tapos biglang kasama nyo na sa backstage, Piolo. Kasama kayo. Ano yun, parang meron ba parang kasi di ba may mga instances na kunyari invite ng Hyundai. Magkakasama kayo ng mga artista
Sarah G.
Di ba parang mga influencers and the celebrities
I had that
nasa likod. Kayo magkakasama.
Ako with Nissan. Sabi niya, tignan mo yung setlist, oh. Kasama mo sa listing na kailangan bandayan, ikaw, si Mateo, si Gayan. Pero ako, ba't mo kailangan bandayan? Di ba ako mawala?
Baka
Dito lang ako.
Samahan pa kita magbantay.
Sabi
Tayo na rin sila.
gusto mo,
Ikaw yung
ako na lang
magpunas ng
magpunas ng
pawis
pawis
ni
nila? Parang huwag mo ko isama eh. Pero, syempre, the brands has that segregations. I understand naman. Pero ako, I never see myself at that position, definitely. I'm far from it.
Car lend out na pinaka na-surprise kayo. Unexpectedly good.
Ako BMW.
Okay.
M3.
Dahil ba dun sa kasama mo o dahil sa kotse?
Hindi, yung kotse.
Yung kotse. Okay.
Saka Ioniq 5N. Ibang level yung kotse.
The Ioniq 5N was so nice. I tried the Ioniq
Surprisingly
5N. Super good. Yes, shout out to Hyundai
Ibang
for
level,
that.
sir. Kung mura lang yun, gusto ko yun. Iba
Sam, Pyram naman. Hindi ko pa
Oo
natatry.
eh.
Speaking of, kamusta yung nung Toyota event. How was it? Oh, how was that whole event?
Sobrang surreal yung napili kami maging ambassador and drivers for the Tamaraw Cup. Kasi pinapanood lang namin dati yun nung bata kami, yung Vios Cup. So, next nakuha tayo sa TGR. Parang sobrang saya namin. Na parang,
May give up kayong trip nun eh. No?
Oo. Grabe. Sin yung magdadrive ka for Toyota, ambassador ka nila. For me, it's something else na talagang sobrang proud ako. Na, kasi hindi man lahat na may bigyan ng gano'ng opportunity. Ang dami nag-tryouts. May mga talagang mga...
Lahat sila for sure gusto rin nila.
Oo, lahat sila. And napili kami ni Alex and Chini to be the ambassador and yung race car driver for Toyota.
And yung mga ganitong bagay, the only thing that I could say is we're super grateful for all the blessings. Kasi parang, wala, kung di sila maniwala sa atin, wala
Ito,
namang mangyayari.
one of the hard questions for you guys sa car culture. I'm sure may mga falling out na. Di ba? May mga friends tayo dati. How did you guys handle that? I mean...
Wala ako lagi ko sinasabi sa akin, may mga taong dumadating sa buhay natin para maging lesson.
That's true. You learn. Ngayon, we're very honest with each other. Kasi ayaw na namin mag-bullshitan na parang, kung ano nararamdaman natin, huwag na tayo makipaglokohan pa sa isa't isa, tagal na natin magkakasama. Parang gano'n.
Life is hard. So,
Don't make it harder.
and be kind to people. Kasi itong mga opportunities namin to TGR, hindi naman namin makukuha yan kung kupal kami, ganyan. I mean, naging mabait lang kami sa tao, tapos siguro,
Pag may nagtatanong sa akin dati na nasa brand kami, hindi, kupal yan.
Ganda ng content pero medyo kupal.
pero kupal yan eh.
Kaya yun na nga lagi namin sinasabi, ang liit ng mundo ng car industry.
Dude, so...
Lahat yan
Huwag kang
mag-iikutan
magkakalat.
lang. Huwag
Yun
ka lang
lang.
magkakalat.
Sobra,
Huwag kang magkakalat. Kasi
Tama yun.
car culture is for everyone. Car culture is not ours. It's for everyone. And as much as possible, gusto natin pagandahin yung kultura, yung local scene ng dito sa Pilipinas. Pero syempre, we can only do so much.
And everybody has their own opinion.
May papasok dyan, sisirain na yung car culture. Pero kami, hindi namin makokontrol yan eh. Problema ngayon sa car community, everyone wants to be number one.
Everyone wants to be on the top.
Yeah.
So, grabe yung push and pull.
Yun yung medyo sad part, to be honest. Na parang, like kami, tahimik na kami, may maririnig pa kami. Parang,
Oh, like recently, sabi ng mga tao, yung nag-disband daw ni Yuke kasi magkakaaway.
na. Parang kami natatawa lang kami, nag-usap kayo. Like, what the heck? That's so
Nagkikita-kita kami, pero hindi namin na-post.
Tinawagan ko kayo nun, mag-aaway daw kayo dalawa. Nasaan ba kayo? Magkasama sa Banawi.
Hindi, pero that's the point eh. Parang, it's fine with me kasi parang people in our circle or the people that sees us knows the truth.
Yung ibang tao gusto yung trono. Kami, sa inyo yung trono, ayaw namin ng trono. Kasi magulo dyan eh. Kami nag-enjoy na kami dito, naggagaguhan lang kami sa isa.
Even naman sa supercar community na parang, dude, gusto ko kayo yung pinakamagandang supercar. Dude, maraming mas mayaman sa'yo.
So technically, you're just still pleasing yourselves. You're just sharing it. You're just sharing what's happening.
Kasi nga parang if you have that mindset na gusto mo lagi nasa taas ka, you're doing your builds not for yourself.
Yun yung napansin ko sa car community natin ngayon, na parang they're building cars for the clout.
For others to appreciate, not for yourself.
For the likes, for the numbers. For me, it's not genuine.
Sabi mo nga kami parang so the 86 namin, pupunta pa kaming Japan para lang bumili. Like, I literally, checked in a whole gas tank in the airplane for, parang iuwi lang yun. Sabi ko nga,
Para makatipid.
para makatipid yun. Hindi. Like, pinasok ko sa
nila.
box, bro. Like,
Oo.
literally, sabi ko, kung hindi pa ba tayo karga, hindi ko na alam. Para
Tapos nasa airport kami, parang pag ito na, holding
ganyan
natin ito
kalaki
kilala.
yung box namin. Gas tank, ganyan. Tapos, I remembered it when I checked it in. Binuksan nila buo kasi kailangan nila i-check kung may laman pa or
Correct.
whatever.
Baka may kontra. Ikaw?
Oh, ako, nag-uwi ako ng mga pyesa, mga springs,
Sobrang dami.
mga ganyan.
Mga springs.
Ako nag-uwi ako dati rotor tsaka caliper. Yun lang naman ang isang luggage.
Nakapag-uwi ako mags. Di ba? Nag-uwi ako mags.
Apat na
Apat
peraso.
na peraso. Sabi ko,
Maleta.
14s. No, maleta. Bili kami donkey ng maleta, dalawang
Tapos
peraso.
yung mga gamit mong brief, ibabalot mo sa ano.
Like, sabi ko, if that's not passion enough.
Yeah, dude.
I think what is. Like,
Sobra.
alam mo yung to the point na kaya naman namin isip.
Yeah.
Eh, gusto namin makatipid eh.
Pero yun
Tsaka gusto
yung-
namin makuha na
Nandun ka na
agad.
Yun yung essence of being a car guy. Yun yung...
Saka yun yung story na masishare mo. Na ganito, may ganito kaming story na share sa inyo.
Hindi yun for the likes, hindi yun for the clout. Yung tawanan yun, magkakaibigan na parang...
Tangahan kami.
Ano na bobobo ng mga kasama ko? Ganon.
Isipin mo yung gas tank. Sabi lang nila, yung mga friend namin nila, Ed nila, kaya, sure ka ba, baby mo? Tapos literally ganyan lang yung box. Parang, sure ka ba? Paano natin uwi to? Parang, bahala na. Bili na lang natin. Tapos doon na natin problemahin. Saksak nyo pa yung kung anong kailangan yung iuwi. Saksak nyo dyan. Parang balik bayan box yan.
Tapos maliit lang yung kotse namin na van, so yung gas tank nandito.
Tumutunog. Clog. Ganun.
Tapos yung achievement mo pag nauwi mo, no?
Alam mo yung
Iba yung
Paglabas mo nang naiyak,
ilalatag mo pa. Paglabas mo ng box pa.
Safe. Parang
Okay,
swerte.
set, let's go.
Swerte pa nga itong mga to eh. Kasi Japan sila bumibili. Back then,
Yeah.
SIR days, pare, there's no Japan
Black and
for
white pa yung
us.
Japan.
Pare, it was Hong Kong. It was Hong Kong before. Tas, Lasal Green Hills, Lasal.
Ano pala kami, elementary pala kami sila.
Ako din naman. Nasama mo ako
Ano to, before people power?
Sabi nang walang politics eh. Hindi, kasi swerte eh. Because now, everyone can go to Japan.
Do you still constantly educate yourselves? How?
Everywhere, nag-aaral kami lagi niyan sa TikTok, Instagram. Yan, search kami ng mga build ng ibang tao, titingin kami. We go to Japan, check the builds ng mga tao. Kaya kung lagi pupunta sa Japan is to check the build eh. Inspiration eh. Di ba sir, pag sa auto salon naman na tayo.
Question. Anong next?
For me, I'm gonna build a Hilux.
Yeah, I saw. Pare, ano trip mo?
Yung Meralco niya.
FB, no?
Literally, tatapo ko yung likod, cut the chassis, make it shorter. Kasi may gumawa sa Pampanga. And yun yung inspiration ko. Sabi ko, yung
As
ganda
in,
nito.
cut chassis.
Oh, cut chassis para kumikli.
Si Alex ma-agit na naman eh. Makakulit ng utak na to
Ano
eh.
ba binili namin yung Hilux? Nasa Japan ako.
Oo nga, nakita.
Sabi ko, like literally, tinatawa ko si Ayapaw. Ayapaw, bilhin mo. Sige na, papadala ko yung pera. Ganyan. Nasa Japan ako, hindi ko mapuntahan. Next week, puputulin na siya ni Absolute, ni Way. Magiging maikli na siya. Tapos, I'm gonna make it a Toy Story build.
Ginawa ng chibi style.
Story.
Gagawin ko sa Pizza Planet truck. Kasi
I love that.
I was always a fan of Toy Story. And people know it.
Naman, I know.
Literally, sobrang
Kahit yung mga
tela
toys
sa
mo,
ano.
di ba?
So yun, parang gusto ko i-relive tong idea. Ito yung batang ako.
Ikaw, anong next?
Ako ngayon yung project ko yung BT50. So I'm building the BT50. Like kanina nga, stress ako kasi nagpakabit ako ng LED bar sa grill. Hindi ako happy. Balik tayo sa drawing board, ayusin lahat. Ganyan. So buti nilang mabait si Way.
Actually, mas ano siya sa akin kasi mas, ano ba, parang
OC ako.
mas OC siya eh.
Super OC ako, sobrang attention to detail ako. As in, to the very smallest detail.
May last question ako before we wrap things up. Could be the Shelby GT500 Nick Cage Gun in 60 seconds, yung Dodge Charger ni Dom Toretto. Para sa inyo, anong best car na nakita nyo sa movie screen, sa big screen or sa TV show?
Ako I grew up watching the Back to the Future. So,
DeLorean.
DeLorean.
Oo. Yun yung age namin, sir, ah.
Medyo hindi ko alam kung may insulto ako.
I grew up in cartoons, so now I wanna relive the Toy Story. The
yeah.
Pizza Planet.
Yeah.
Until now, when I watch Toy Story, I get emotional. Kasi parang I feel like, kasi I value friends nga. Parang the times na nagkakahiwalay na yung mga toys, yung mga kaila Andy, it feels very genuine in life. Pero yan.
Kilala niyo ba yung sa Baywatch?
Si ano, si Kip?
Si Kim, si Knight Rider. Knight Rider.
alam ko
Dude,
yan,
the
alam
one
ko
with the...
yan.
No.
Night Rider.
Oh, di ba? Mas matanda yung DeLorean than Knight Rider, no? Hindi, pero ako, 34 ako eh. R34 talaga ako. Pero a lot of it na nag-i-import na from the US, no? Kasi may law sila eh na...
Oo. Pero alam mo yung may mga kaibigan kami naka R34 and alam naman din nila to. Sa Japan, yung R34, baduy na siya. Kasi yung mga Amerikano, lahat sila naka-R34.
Like to the point na bro na pag nasa Japan kami, parang pag may dumaan na 34 dyan, V-spec, whatever. Parang
Amerikano yan.
gagawin
Tapos
namin.
trashy sila sa Tokyo. Parang
Really?
they're ruining the culture there.
Pero pag may dumaan dyan na talagang tasteful na parang kakaiba, parang
Hindi, kahit yung mga first gen na GTR. Diba?
yun ang man of culture.
Oo.
Kahit nga Lancer lang yan, tapos kinento mo na Lancer to nung bata ka, ito yung first car mo. That would be, like, how did you get it? Paano mo nakuha ko yan ulit? Yung ganun.
Ako, yun ang story.
Yung 86, yun, grabe yung story ng kotse na yun. Kasi isang gabi lang yun, nakatambay lang kami sa shop sa DMF. Tapos in-offer lang ng kaibigan ko na swap kami sa S13. Na alam kong lugi siya, alam din niya lugi siya, pero meron kaming binavalue yung pagkakaibigan. We just shook hands. And that's the deal.
It's more in the story.
If you guys are talking to the kid you now, anong sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Ako sabihin ko, you're gonna be okay. Iyak ako. Tangina. Iyak ako. Napaiyak ako dito
Parang hindi maalaala mo kaya to. Ma'am Charo, baka pag napansin mo kami.
Uy, theater to. Oh, di ba?
Sorry, hindi pala si Ma'am Charo. Viva Max. Baka naman.
I would tell my younger self that mom's pretty proud right now.
Si Matt na umiiyak na rin. Matt, wag ka.
Hindi to one month.
Hindi talaga.
Pero ang mga formula lang if tatanungin niyo ako yung formula ng kung paano tayo nakarating dito, apat na ano yan for me. First, you have to be, marunong ka ng discipline. Discipline talaga. Kasi if wala kang disiplina, you can't start. Second is consistency. If hindi ka consistent, you can't finish.
Yeah.
So, pangatlo is yung mindset. Kailangan tama tayo yung mindset. Kasi sa mundo to, madami talagang temptations, distractions. Pero kung alam mo yung mindset mo, alam mo yung goal mo, makakarating ka eh. And yung last one is yung perspective. So, iba't ibang angles yan eh. Depende sa perspective mo. Kung perspective mo negative, negative yung mangyayari sa'yo. Pero kung yung perspective mo is laging positive, you'll attract positive vibes. So, for me, yun lang yung 4 values ko na sinunod. Pero, malayo pa tayo. Pero, lagi na sinasabi na,
Malayo pa. Ano yan?
malayo pa.
Pero malayo
na.
Nice.
Pero
Malayo pa.
genuinely speaking, kasi I don't know you guys as much as he knows. He knows you guys. He knows both of you. Pero, syempre, I did my research before this. Kita ko yung, when you guys were doing like parang from ground up na, mga vlog, up to now, you guys are being trusted by brands. I mean, props to what you guys are doing.
I mean, sabi nga namin, parang you need to be proud of yourself too.
Oh, yeah.
At times, syempre may mga shitty actions and everything. You can't really dwell with that.
Immature, naging immature rin tayo
Hirap
at
din.
some point.
Kasi hindi mo madali to. Like pucha, nade-drain din naman kami. Social battery, tapos,
Saka sometimes it
Pagod.
feels repetitive.
oo. Pero sabi ko nga parang, it's a career that's really, really good. People here are so nice. Choose the people that you befriended with. And the people that are in the industry are super great. The only thing that I would say is like, always be grateful. Kasi kung hindi ka grateful on anything that you do, you won't achieve anything. Kasi
Ako
wala
super
kang
happy ako sa
pinakasasalamatan.
dalawa.
Yeah.
Honestly, kayong dalawa. And ngayon ko lang talaga na-realize, first pala talaga yun. Happy ako sa inyo. Yung narating nyo ngayon, lalo na with all the brands and everything, dude, happy ako. If I was a step or I was how do you say, a vessel. Hanip eh, no?
You're a vessel.
Vessel.
You're a messenger.
You're the vessel.
Or an instrument na para mapansin kayo ng brands after, dude, very happy, man. I'm proud. Pucha, Banawe Boy and Justin, Buzz Hype. Sino ba naman ako? Happy for you guys. Happy.
Speaking of being grateful, Justin, Alex, we are grateful that you guys joined us today.
Definitely. We're grateful. You guys cooked.
And I hope this
Thank you for the food, Melo.
Thank you so much for
props to
the
the team. I hope this is not the last time that we're gonna have dinner, have drinks, and break bread. But
Break bread, panis.
fancy ako. Cultured ako.
Damn.
Pero alam nyo ako, proud din ako sa inyo kasi nakita ko yung room from the very start Like, we made the documentary before and now you guys
Oy, utang pa natin kay Alex
Oo.
yun.
You guys are evolving, you're growing, lumalaki yung team. And nakikita ko sa mga tao na nandito, everyone's happy.
Sana may mag-invite din sa amin para may mapapansin na ibang brand.
Grateful for your time, grateful for your insight. This is not the last time that we're gonna have dinner together.
Oo, inom pa tayo.
Yep. Having said that, guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Salamat, maraming salamat. Thank you for the food.
Thank you, bro.
Oy, si Melo yan. Thanks, brother. Thank you, guys.
Okay lang yun? Okay lang yun, ganun
Oh, oh naman. Take 2 tayo.
Take 2. Oh, guys, roll na tayo.
Di pala naka-record.